Welcome to another Grape Soda Travels.
Neil's busy driving, so you got me. If you were with us last week, welcome back, and you would have seen us arriving at Castle Archdale Caravan Park on the shores of Lough Erne in Northern Ireland. Today we're driving through the outskirts of Enniskillen, but we're off to somewhere which is hopefully kind of exciting. We're going to the Marble Arch. No, not that one. We're going to the Marble Arch Caves, going underground. Come with us.
Welcome to Grape Soda Travels. I'm Neil, this is Naomi, and we're currently touring Northern Ireland in our trusty IH campervan Teddy. In the last video, we ended our tour of the Causeway coastal route in the city of Derry, and now we're making our way inland. Today we visit Marble Arch Caves, and it's really quite a thing. So grab a drink of your pleasure, sit back and come and join us as we head underground. Go caving.
Oh gosh, really wasn't what I had on my to-do list.
Sun's come out. For now.
Oh my gosh, it's huge. Right, there we go. Oh my. Can we have two adults to visit the caves?
Yeah. So just to make you aware, today's tour is shorter than usual because of the weather. Too much rainfall over the last number of days.
Right.
So the tour is sitting around a 45 minute tour, which is better than this morning. It was only 30 minutes, so it's a wee bit longer.
Oh really? Did tip it down this morning, didn't it?
It's tipping it down a week. It's going to be a bad week.
No boat today. Too much rain, so the water level's too high.
Ooh, look. Looks like it's going to be fun. This is cute. It's like I'm in the cave.
This feels more like I've lost my marbles cave.
Thanks.
This we go.
Oh gosh. Hopefully it doesn't bang you. Oh wow.
Stepping into these caves is really like stepping into another world. At just over 7 miles, these caves form the longest known cave system in Northern Ireland, and the tour takes you through around 1 kilometre of the most accessible parts. We were underground for over an hour, but hopefully these clips will give you some idea of what it's like. It's rather incredible, and to be fair, the only way to really understand what it's like is to go and visit yourself.
You'd think it would be really cold. Cool. Good grief. Wow. Gosh. Beautiful colours in there. Oh, we're back to the sound of the water. Wowie. Wow. Sounds like it's raining. Amazing. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Oh my. Oh wow. How clear it is. Look, babe.
Story to it. The wall construction began in the 80s. There was a massive effort to help.
You right, the babes?
Through the door.
Wow.
Fabulous hour that was.
Was that an hour?
Just over.
And then some.
Yeah.
Well, that was great. Really enjoyed that. Big thank you to Dara, who is our guide.
Really good guide.
Yeah, really lovely chap.
Really
and clearly loves the place.
Really knowledgeable, loves the place, very enthusiastic,
Yeah.
knows his stuff. Because of the weather, there was a little bit of the cave we couldn't see, and the boat tour obviously wasn't running today.
Yeah.
But still, massive recommendation, I think,
Certainly
there.
don't feel like I missed out. Yes. So Marble Arch Caves. Make sure you come. It's great. I always think if you come in the entrance of a National Trust and you can't actually see the house, it's going to be quite grand, isn't it? "11 till 5.
Quite big, actually, isn't it?
Yes, it is. So we're currently here. And then you've got this huge house here.
So we've come about 5 miles down the road to a National Trust.
Yep.
But the estate has a connection where we've just been, doesn't it?
It does. So this is Lord Enniskillen? No, Enniskillen. We'll find out and let you know. But he owns huge, or at least owned, huge swathes of land, including the ground under which Marble Arch Caves were. And so he was the one who pushed for exploration and paid for exploration and discovery of the cave. So it seems fitting to come and have a look at the house now.
Let's go and have a look around his gaff, shall we?
It's going to be all right, isn't it?
Probably.
Yeah.
training again.
It's charming.
So our house tour is in about 40 minutes. What could we possibly do in the meantime?
What a handy tea room there is.
Now, 2 steps, you can
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's all right, isn't it?
We weren't allowed to film video inside the house, so here's some of the photographs we took to show you what it's like. Interesting, wasn't it?
Oh, it was very interesting, yes. Lovely.
So you're not allowed to take any video inside the house, so...
No, hopefully our photos will give you a flavour.
Yeah, but
Of
really,
the house.
really good guided tour, wasn't
Yes,
it?
thank you to Julie.
Yeah, we were the only people there, so it was a personal tour of the house.
It was our very own house, just for an hour.
Do you want to have a look at the garden?
Yes, as we walk back. Hello, Mr. Moorhen. Oh my. Oh wow. Gosh, this keeps them busy, doesn't it? For you.
Back to the car park before we get locked in.
We've become members of the National Trust in more ways than one.
We've become an exhibit. I can still see other cars in the car park.
Oh,
Might be okay.
phew.
Back to the campsite. Time for tea. A lot of parking space. And down came the rain. Back on site.
Yes, we've driven through quite some rain. You've done a good job, well done you.
I think the plan is just to hunker down for the evening and ride out the weather.
Yes.
It's a bit grey and wet at the moment.
Bit of yuck.
So another day in Northern Ireland comes to an end. Thank you all for coming along with us. If you've enjoyed the video and want to support the channel, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and share us with your friends. And if you're not already, then hit that subscribe button. It's completely free and it really helps us out. Next time, we're off to explore the town of Enniskillen. And spoiler alert, we really liked it. Thanks again and we'll catch you next time.